Now open your book, page number 139, workbook. Page number 139, unit 15, picture graphs. Making picture graphs with scales. Number 1, each circle stands for 5 balloons. Draw the correct number of circle to stand for 30 balloons. Okay, if each circle stands for 5 balloons, so if we are going to draw 6 circles, so 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. So you need to draw in the box given below 6 circles. So they are going to be 30, equivalent to 30 balloons. Number 2, each box stands for 2 Pakistani flags. Draw the correct number of box to stand for 10 Pakistani flags. Okay, if each box stands for 2 Pakistani flags, so you are going to draw 5 boxes, because 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10 Pakistani flags. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10 Pakistani flags. Book page 140. Count the number of each kind of animal in Uncle Sammy's farm and complete the picture graph below. Cows are here 4. You can see in the picture, and they draw 4 stars for you. Now you need to draw ducks stars in the graph of ducks. How many stars you will draw? First you need to count the ducks. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. There are 6 ducks. You need to draw 6 stars. Chickens are over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 chickens, so you need to draw 7 stars. Horses, there are 2 horses, so you are going to draw 2 stars. Each star stands for 1 animal. On page number 141 is almost like 140. You need to count the charity by each of their class, and we need to make stars in the given graph. So do page number 141 by your own self. Move on page number 142. Reading picture graphs with scales. If each heart stands for 3 stickers, how many stickers do the following hearts stand for? Write your answer in the box. If we have 5 hearts here, so and 1 heart stand for 3 stickers, so 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. There is a box given on your right hand, so write your answer over here, 15. Number 2, each pencil stands for 10 pencils. How many pencils do the following pencil stands for? Write your answer in the box. So if 1 stands for 10, and here how many we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and 1 stands for 10, so 8 multiplied by 10 is equal to 80. So you need to write in the box given 80. Move on page number 143. This page is same like 142. You need to color the correct answer in question number 3, and in question number 4 you need to solve it as well. Color the correct answer. First you need to solve it as we have solved page number 142, and then you need to color the correct answer. Page number 144. Number 5. The picture graph shows the number of pupils in a class having their birthdays in 5 different months. In March, you can see 5 cakes are over here. April 1, July 3, September 5, December 7. So each cake stands for 1 pupil in the class. Part A, I am going to solve it. In which month do most pupils have their birthday? In December, because in December you can see there are more number of cakes than other months. In part B, in which months do the same number of pupils have their birthday? Okay, do the same number of pupils have their birthday? It's March It's March and September because you can count the cakes, they are same 5 and 5. March and September are same. Part C, how many more pupils have their birthday in December than April? So you need to count that how many cakes are in December. In December we have 7 cakes. Then in April we have 1. So 6, you need to write 6 because 6 people have their birthday in December more than in April. Part D, how many people have their birthday in the 5 months shown? Part D, you will write over here 21 and you need to count all the cakes, so you will have your exact answer. Now move on page number 145. This page is same like 144 as we are done before, so you need to do this page by your own self. Page number 145, do it by yourself, it's very easy. Move on page number 146. Number 7, question number 7. This picture graph shows the number of each kind of animal in a pet shop. Kitten, we have 2 and each box stands for 3 animals. Parrot, we have 6. Rabbit, we have 5 and puppies we have 4. So each box stands for 3 animals. Look at the picture graph and answer the following questions. Part A, how many rabbits are there? Okay, if we have 5 boxes over here, so what we will do, we are going to multiply it with 3. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. So part A answer is going to be 15. Part B, how many puppies are there? So 4 multiplied by, because puppies are 4 and each box stands for 3. So what we will do, we will multiply it. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Write 12 in front of the part B. Part C, how many more parrots than puppies are there? Okay, how many more parrots? Now you need to count first parrot, as we have 6 parrots. So 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. And more parrots than puppies are there. You know the puppies are 12. So what you are going to do, 18 minus 12, 18 parrots minus 12 puppies, so it's 6. Number of puppies are there more than parrots are 6. Part C answer is 6. Write in the box. Part D, how many fewer kittens than rabbits are there? Now you need to count the kittens first. Kittens are 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. And then rabbits are there, these are 15. Now how many fewer are? 15 minus 6. So these are 9. Part D answer is 9. Now move on part E. How many kittens and parrots are there in the pet shop all together? So what we will do, we will add it. Kitten, as we know we have 16 already, and parrots we have 18. 18 plus 6 is equal to 24. Part E answer is 24. Solve these all parts on your book. On page number 147, this page is also same like 146. You need to do this page by yourself. Move on page number 148. Question number 9. This picture graph shows the number of children playing different types of games during recess. Hopscotch, 5 stars. Scrabble, 4 stars. Hide and seek, 6 stars, and 5 stones 2. Each star stands for 5 children. Look at the picture graph and answer the following questions. Part A, which is the most popular game? It's hide and seek because it has more stars and definitely its numbers are more than others. Part B, which is the least popular game? 5 stones because it has less number of stars. How many children are playing Scrabble? Scrabble. What we are going to do over here, we are going to multiply it. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20, as there are 4 stars and each star stands for 5 children. So 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. So part C answer is 20. Part D. If two boys who are playing hide and seek decide to take a rest, how many children will be left playing hide and seek? Okay. If hide and totally we need to count them hide and seek, we have 6 stars. 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30, and two boys are going to take rest. So what we will do, 30 minus 2 is equal to 28. So part D answer will be 28. Move on page number 149. This page is also your assignment. You need to do it by yourself as it is very easy. As we are done with the whole unit, so it's very easy for you to do it. Students, 150 page, move on 150 page. This page is also very easy. This is also your assignment. You need to do it by yourself. Solve it on your workbook. Workbook page 151 is also your assignment. You need to do it by yourself. Workbook page 152 is also your assignment. You need to solve this question on your book. Workbook page number 153 is also your assignment. Do it, solve it on your workbooks. Page 154, as this is the last page of this unit, this is also your assignment. You need to solve it on your workbook. Okay. Students, as we are done with the picture graphs, that was our last unit in textbook and in workbook as well. So today we are done with our syllabus, and in our next lecture we are going to have our revision worksheets. We are going to do our revision worksheets for the preparation of your exam. So you will get your revision worksheets in our next lecture. Okay, now you need to subscribe our YouTube channel for the completion of the syllabus. Thank you.